Today we're going to talk about some causes and treatments for skin redness. Hi everyone, Manuela Marcheggiani from Isomers Skincare. I'm a cosmetic chemist with over 30 years experience in formulating, manufacturing, creating skincare. So I've studied the skin as it ages and changes, and I've seen a lot in the laboratory as well as in life, So today we're going to talk about skin redness. We get a lot of questions about redness. What causes redness? What to do about redness? So why do you get redness? So skin redness usually happens because your skin has basically a skin barrier. The skin barrier, or the top layer of the skin barrier, is an organization, if you will, of ceramides, lipids, essential fatty acids. These things get together and they create a barrier that reduces transepidermal water loss, so it keeps moisture in the skin, protects your skin from bad bacteria. It's usually, ideally, optimally, the moisture barrier has this acid mantle, which means that the environment of the skin should be on the acidic side. And this actually helps protect your skin. It helps protect the moisture barrier. Because it actually helps keep bad bacteria in check and the good bacteria. So there's a nice microbiome or environment on your skin. If any of this changes, so too much bad bacteria, too much water loss, too much dehydration, you'll start to notice a redness because you're no longer in equilibrium, and this is what causes the redness. And ideally, you want a healthy or balanced skin barrier function. You want an acid mantle that's intact. And this is going to help really deal with the redness. So when you're dealing with redness, what you can do and what you should be doing is really not over-processing your skin. So redness can happen because we touch our skin a lot. We use products that have a lot of irritation elements in there, maybe too much exfoliation, too drying, or we're not protecting our skin against moisture loss. We are washing with chemicals or ingredients that disturb the acid mantle. They're too alkaline. They are changing the equilibrium of the skin. We're doing things that are too hot, too cold. The skin is staying too wet for a longer period of time. This could actually break down the acid mantle again if you're using too much skincare ingredients. So all of these things create redness and dryness and irritation. So the best thing to do with this is to use a cleanser that is properly formulated. A cleanser that is going to clean your skin with not a lot of foam boosters or not a lot of stripping agents, that has an acidic pH. And this is a lot of times why they used to do the whole idea of having a cleanser and a toner. And this was because you wanted to have like the pH of your tears, so you can have a cleanser that is a no more tear kind of formulation, and then you'd have a toner that would bring your skin back to acidic. It's like creating this pH roller coaster for your skin. I'm not a big fan. I like to keep that acid mantle intact as much as possible or undisturbed, because I just think that skin barrier function is so important for healthy skin and for that right environment. So you're going to cleanse your skin, cleanse it gently, cleanse it twice a day. Don't over cleanse. Don't use too hot or too cold water, so tepid water is really good. Make sure that your acid mantle is something that's going to keep that acid barrier function intact. Then use ingredients that are pre and probiotic on your skin. If you think of things that are really good for the microbiome, the environment of the skin, ceramides are very important, fatty acids are very important. These are things that are going to help against the redness and help really calm that redness down. So keep that moisturization level in. If you notice too that you are seasonally red, which means more so in the wintertime, this is because the cold is really drying your skin out, and it is causing a breakdown of the skin barrier function. And so you want to, again, really support that. So a good way of supporting it is using a heavier cream, something with ceramides, essential fatty acids, and lipids in there. These are good fats that are really going to help protect that acid mantle of the skin and really reduce the amount of times that you're going to exfoliate in those times where your skin is more compromised. So just watch how your skin reacts, right? Watch what your skin is doing, because if it is an environmental thing, just changing your behavior a little bit here and there can really help take away a lot of the redness. So don't overdo it. Go gentle, go slow. Really help protect that skin barrier function, really help protect your acid mantle, and really think about that microbiome, that environment where you actually want some of that, you want that balance between good and bad bacteria, because that's going to create a healthy environment. It also is going to help the skin help itself by creating what it needs, the enzymes and the ceramides and all of the lipids that it needs, just by creating that right environment. So this is a really good way of keeping your skin in a healthy zone, keeping that redness at bay, and not exacerbating the redness, especially in drier, harsher climate. Hope you enjoyed our conversation on skin redness, what to do, what causes it. I look forward to your comments and questions, and as always, talk to you soon.